We are at the very short strokes for getting this home ready for our clients to move back in. Let's have a look around and see what we're talking about and what we're catching before our clients do, so that we can make sure it gets fixed. You can see here that we've got quite a bit of a gap here between the counter and the sink. So what we will do is remove those tiles there, and we will pop up that back corner of the sink so that our reveal along the edge of the counter there is nice and consistent. The other thing that we've been doing, as we always do on all of our projects, is go around and test all of the plugs. Now, one of our team just learned that on many electrical testers, if you push this middle button here, it triggers a GFCI. So if we look over here, so that guy goes in, we've got 2 good lights. So that says it's happy to go. Now, we know that the kitchen plugs need to be GFCI because they're near water and you don't want to electrocute yourself. So just tap that, GFCI turns on, plug turns off, life is good. So it means everything is working the way that it should. Other things that we are looking for are the way that the cabinets are installed and making sure our cabinet doors are nice and flush. We are making sure that all of the finishes between doors and windows and everything else is clean. This house is looking real good. As is our normal operating procedure, we get it to this stage. We do our walkthrough. We bring in all of the trades that need to fix things. They come, they fix them, and then next week we turn it over to the clients and they can move in before Christmas. Steph has been working tirelessly and growing gray hairs trying to get this project done. We're in good shape here. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, do all of the social media stuff. Hit us up, love to hear from you. Have yourself a great day.